Welcome back to Carverse. Today we're diving into one of the most extravagant motorhomes ever designed, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome. Known for transforming luxury vehicles into high-performance machines, Brabus has taken its expertise to the motorhome world, delivering a vehicle that combines raw power, unmatched luxury, and cutting-edge design in a way that feels more like a five-star hotel on wheels than a traditional RV. On the exterior, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome immediately commands attention. It features an aggressive aerodynamic design with a bold grille, signature Brabus badging, and sharp LED lighting that gives it a futuristic edge. The wide body stance, matte carbon fiber accents, and massive alloy wheels showcase its performance DNA while still maintaining the sleek, polished look of luxury. Retractable steps, integrated solar panels, and flush-fitting features highlight Brabus's attention to both style and functionality. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a space that feels like stepping onto a private yacht. The interior is hand-finished with the finest leathers, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and ambient lighting that can be customized to suit your mood. The living area is spacious and refined, featuring a lounge with electronically adjustable recliners, a smart entertainment system, and noise-canceling insulation that makes the cabin whisper quiet on the road. The kitchen is fully equipped with premium appliances, including an induction cooktop, a large refrigerator, and concealed storage that keeps everything sleek and organized. The bedroom offers a king-size bed with Brabus stitched upholstery, built-in massage functions, and a panoramic skylight for breathtaking views day or night. The bathroom is finished in marble effect materials with a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and Brabus-branded fixtures, giving the experience of a luxury spa wherever you travel. Performance is where Brabus sets itself apart. The 2026 motorhome is powered by a twin-turbo V8 hybrid system producing nearly 700 horsepower. This remarkable setup not only delivers exhilarating acceleration but also ensures smooth and controlled handling, aided by adaptive suspension and all-wheel drive. Despite its size, the Brabus Motorhome moves with confidence and stability, while advanced safety systems, including autonomous driving assistance and 360-degree cameras, keep every journey secure and stress-free. As expected, luxury like this comes with a price. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome starts at around $650,000, placing it firmly in the ultra-premium category. But for those who demand the ultimate blend of performance, craftsmanship, and comfort on the open road, this motorhome sets a new benchmark in what mobile luxury can be.